Today, these three players are after big bucks, but they'll have to avoid the whammy as they play the most exciting game of their lives. From Television City in Hollywood, it's time to press your luck. And now, here's your host, the star of Press Your Luck, Peter DeMarkin.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you, Roddy. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Press Your Luck. We're going to have big fun today. Hopefully it's big bucks. I know it's what the players are looking for. Let's meet them right now and find out a little something about them. Starting with our first player, Michael Terhall. How are you, Michael?
All right.
Good.
Doing fine.
Michael, you've been traveling a while, huh?
Yes, I've taken a couple 3-month motorcycle trips around the United States. I've seen a lot of this beautiful country, and I tell you, there's a lot out there.
I bet. You stop here for just pick up some gas and some money?
Of course. Well, it's a couple of years ago. Now I have to go to work, you know.
Now it's serious time.
Big time.
If you expect to be serious on this show, you've come to the wrong show. We're not serious.
Hey, big bucks, another
Big bucks
trip.
is serious. That's true. Good luck to you, Michael.
Thank you.
Good to have you with us. Our second player is our champ, Zena Smith, with Beaucoup bucks, $21,734. Now, Zena, last time you were going to buy a car and put your tent trailer on the back of it. Now, what are you going to do with the extra $7,000 or $8,000?
Plan for another trip.
Another trip? You're going to constantly traveling.
Hey.
Not too bad. Will you send us some postcards?
Oh, definitely.
All right.
Especially to you.
Oh, of course. Thank you, Zena. Good luck to you today.
Thank you.
Shucks. Our third player is Ken Elkman.
Hi, Peter.
How are you, Ken?
I'm great.
That's good. Ken, you have lost something recently.
I lost 100 pounds so far.
I know who found it. Rod. I found the man who lost 100 pounds. Do you want it back, Ken?
Never.
Rod,
Never.
you can keep it.
I salute you, sir.
Thank you.
Rod is going to lose 100 pounds.
Well, I have 50 more to go. We can do it together.
Rod? Well, that's something
I'm
else.
certainly looking forward to that.
To what? Doing it together or losing the 50 pounds?
Losing the 100 pounds, Peter.
Okay, just checking, Rod. What do I know? Okay. Ken, lost a lot, but you don't want to lose money. You want to make it up in money.
Absolutely.
Well, here we are.
I'm ready.
Are you ready? Let's
I'm
do
ready.
it. Okay, multiple choice answer 1 spin, a buzzer answer 3 spins. Here we go. Avon, L'Oreal, and Shiseido are the top 3 in sales in the cosmetics world. But what we want to know is who's first? Ken?
Avon.
Is it Avon, L'Oreal, or Shiseido, Michael?
Avon.
What do you think, Zena?
L'Oreal.
Ah, that top cosmetics seller is Avon. Michael gets a spin and Ken gets 3. What's scary is that Michael and Ken knew and Zena didn't.
I don't want it.
We have girlfriends.
Do you? I'll trust you. How many stars were there on the American flag at the end of World War II? Ken?
48.
Is it 48, 49, or 50, Michael?
It's 48.
How many, Zena?
48.
You got it. At the end of WW2, there were 48 stars on the flag. Michael to 2, Zena a spin, and Ken to 6. Third question. What ancient Greek is known as the father of modern medicine? Ken.
Hippocrates.
Is it Hippocrates, Aristotle, or Plato, Michael?
Hippocrates.
Who is it, Zena?
Hippocrates.
Father of modern medicine was Hippocrates. Michael to 3, Zena to 2, Ken to 9. You guys are racking up spins. Here's the last one. Jessica Lange's recent film, Sweet Dreams, is based on the life of what country and Western singer? Zena.
Loretta Lynn.
Is it Loretta Lynn, Patsy Cline, or Kitty Wells, Michael?
Loretta Lynn.
Who is it, Ken?
Patsy Cline.
Sweet Dreams is based on the life of Patsy Cline. Michael stays at 3, Zena at 2, and Ken goes to 10. And you guys are up to the bucks when you come back. Stay with us, we're coming right back. All right, time for some money. You've earned it by answering some questions. You guys got a lot of spins here. We got about 50,000 plus bucks up there and some whammies. You don't want the whammies. How about a trip?
I'd love it.
Well, our Bahama Mama, Mr. Roddy, is going to lay one on us.
I'm going to tell you about a week in the Bahamas, and who wouldn't be thrilled with that? If today's winner gets lucky here in round number 1, that's exactly what could be won. 6 fabulous days tonight in that water wonderland, sightseeing and relaxing on the beautiful Bahamian beaches. Someday she's going to fall off. Do you know that? This is a trip with over $2,000.
do that? Is that the way you do that? I'm going to learn how to do that. Rod, you want to do that with me?
Can you see that now?
I don't know. In any event, if you go there, you got to try that and let us know, okay?
Okay.
All right. What you want to do is win this round so you can play last and final round. 4 whammies. Well, 4 whammies here. We don't want to talk about 4 whammies, right? You can pass your remaining spins during your turn. Fewest spins, feist. Xena, 2 of them.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here I go. Come on. Give me some big bucks. Give me big bucks. No whammies. No whammies. Stop.
Stop at a reclining rocker. Just what you need, Xena. Oh, $329. That goes with the carpeting that Bill won yesterday.
Okay.
He lost.
Okay.
1 spin left.
Okay. Make this a big spin. Big spin. Come on. No whammies. No whammies. Come on. Stop.
Stop at $500. 829. Xena, well done. First place. Michael, 3 of them.
All right, I came for big bucks, so let's see 'em. Come on, those big bucks, and stop.
Stop at $550. 2 spins, second place. Michael.
Now let's go. Come on, big bucks. You know they're mine. Come on all the way. Stop.
Stop at 200 more at $750. 1 more spin. $79 set for you and
All the
Xena.
way. Come on, big bucks, and stop.
Stop and move on space to Reno or 200 at a spin.
Reno.
Reno, 7-Eleven. And that brings you up to $1,461. First place by about $600, Michael. But Big Ken, or Small Ken, with 10 spins is going at you.
Okay, Peter. This'll equal my old weight. Big bucks, stop.
Stop. Now you threw the weight on him and he sunk. Ken, 9 spins left.
I'm gonna press my luck.
Here we go.
Peter. Come on, big bucks. Big bucks, big bucks, stop.
Stop at $550.
Okay,
That's third place,
okay.
8 spins,
I'm
Ken.
pressing my luck.
Here we go.
Peter. Big bucks, stop.
Stop at $750 in a spin.
Okay,
$1,300.
okay.
8 spins, second
I'm
place.
gonna keep on going, Peter. No whammies, stop.
Stop at a whammy.
All I hear is big bucks, big bucks. I got you, big buck.
Nice guy. Ken?
I'm gonna be nice to Michael and pass it to Michael.
I understand. 7 spins to Michael. What a hunk of spins. Michael?
Got the luck, right?
Here we go.
Big bucks is the middle name. So let's have it. Big bucks. Come on, and stop.
Stop at 500 more. 1961, 6 spins, Michael.
Okay. Go to the Bahamas. Yeah, I like those wild women down there. Stop.
Stop at 550.
Yeah.
25, 11, 5 spins, Michael.
Going. Come on, luck. Let's do it. Come on, and stop.
Stop at 600
Yeah.
more. That's 3111. 4 spins.
All right,
You're moving,
keep going.
Michael.
Bahamas. Let's see those Bahamas coming up, and stop.
Stop at 550.
Yeah.
3661, 3 spins, Michael.
All right, now big bucks. Come on, big bucks, and stop.
Stop at $400. That's 4,061. 2 spins. 2 more to go,
All
Michael.
right, no problem. We're talking luck, and big bucks, and stop.
Stop at 450. 45, 11.
One more.
1 lousy spin, Michael. Avoid the win.
No,
You'll have
we're
first
talking
place. Here
at
we
a
go.
one. Let's get at a one. Let's get it. Come on, and stop.
Stop at a whammy.
This ought to do it.
Oh, Michael 0, Ken 0, and Xena. You live right. First place, 829. We'll be back after these words for a whole new round. Don't go. All right, we are back. Nobody won the Bahama trip, but Xena's got so much money, she's probably going to go down there and get on a board and do that. Can you do that?
Of course I can.
Okay, Xena. You ready for some more questions?
Sure.
How about you give me answers?
Yep.
Think
Sure,
they'll
no
match?
No problem.
Like a man that knows his stuff. Here we go. Tammy Wemette passed along this recipe. Ooh. Caesar salad is made with romaine lettuce, garlic, olive oil, croutons, Worcestershire sauce, and cheese. What kind of cheese? Ken.
Blue cheese.
Is it blue cheese, Swiss, or Parmesan, Michael?
Parmesan.
What is it, Xena?
Parmesan.
That Caesar salad cheese is Parmesan. Correct. Michael a spin and Xena a spin. I'm not coming to your house for dinner, Ken. She's won 4 Tony Awards on the stage, but most of us know her for her TV role as Jessica Fletcher in Murder, She Wrote. Who is she? Ken.
Angela Lansbury.
Is it Angela Lansbury, B. Arthur, or Jane Wyman, Michael?
Angela Lansbury.
What do you think it is, Zena?
Angela Lansbury.
That talented lady is Angela Lansbury. Michael to 2, Zena to 2, and Ken gets 3. Third question, rolling right along. By what nickname is Jimmy Snyder known to millions of people? Ken.
Jimmy the Greek.
Is it Jimmy the Greek, Jimmy the Rabbit, or Jimmy the Weasel? Michael?
Jimmy the Greek.
Who is it, Zena?
Jimmy the Greek.
Yeah, Jimmy Snyder is also known as Jimmy the Greek. Michael for 3, Zena for 3, and Ken for 6. Here we go. You ready? Last
Ready.
one. How many times was Franklin D. Roosevelt elected president? Michael.
3.
Is it 3, 2, or 4 times? Zena?
I'll say 3.
3. What are you going to say,
4.
Ken? FDR was elected president 4 times. Count it. Michael stays at 3, Zena 3, and Ken goes to 7. And you know what happens next? Big bucks will come on back. Here we are, and are we having some kind of fun, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
This is the big bucks, gang.
is it. Big.
Over $100,000 big bucks. That's what Michael would say. And cash, prizes, and goodies. We've got trips to Hilton Head and Bermuda and wonderful things and some whammies. You don't want the whammies, right? Enough whammies.
Enough.
Zena, once again, with a paltry $829, you have earned distinction for playing last. Well done. Tie between Michael and Ken. Played on my left first, Michael. 3 spins.
All right.
No bucks.
Come here for big bucks, and let's see it. Come on, big bucks. Big bucks on the spin. Stop.
Stop at 700 a spin. That's second place. 3 spins, Michael. Press your pass.
Keep going. Spin and a big bucks. Come on, spin and big bucks. Let's see it, and stop.
Stop at 500 a spin. It's $1,200. 3 spins. 429 less,
Come on,
more than Zena.
Luck's the middle name, and big bucks is the game, so stop.
Stop at 2,000. Just avoided that whammy. $3,200. 2 spins. What do you
Bucks
want
in
to
the
do?
spin. Come on, let's see it. Big bucks in the spin, and stop.
Stop at $2,000. $5,200. 1 spin left.
I will go. I will go. All the way. Big bucks in the spin. Come on, stop.
Stop and go back 2 spaces to 5,000 a spin. Michael, $10,200. All right, that's some gas money for that motorcycle. Still have 1 spin left. What are you going to do with it?
Oh! If I pass, it goes to her.
Zena.
A pass.
Zena, it's yours. You don't take it yet. Contemplate it. Reflect on it. Well, we go to Ken with 7 big spins. Ken?
Okay, no whammies. They're out of my system. Big bucks, stop.
Stop at 500 big bucks. That's third place, 6 spins, Ken.
I'm gonna press on, Peter. Big bucks, stop.
Stop at Hilton Head.
Okay,
That trip,
all right.
Ken, is worth $2,572.
Okay,
3,072. Second place, 5
I'm on
spins.
my way, Peter. Big bucks, stop.
Stop. Shut down. Ken, let's chat.
Let's talk.
You have 3 whammies, no dollars, 4 spins. 1 more whammy, and you'll be out on the jogging track. You know? But you have 4 spins.
I have to press my luck.
All right,
Peter.
press it on.
Okay, 3's my lucky number. I don't want any more whammies. No whammies and stop.
Stop at 7:15 to spin. You're back in the money. Third place, 4 spins, 3 whammies.
I'm going
Ken.
to keep on
Going again.
pressing my luck, Peter. Come on, big bucks, stop.
Stop at 12:50. That's $2,000. Second place, 8,200 shy of Michael. 3 spins, 3 whammies.
I'm pressing. Okay, big bucks. Give me the 5,000. Come on, stop.
Stop at the whammy.
You're out.
You're out. Sorry, Ken, you're out of the game. We now go to Zena with $829 and 1 spin you have to take, Zena.
Okay, I'm
you ready?
going.
Let's see if the charm still works.
Big bucks. Come on, I need some money and stop.
Stop at $500. $1,329. You now have 3 spins, and you got about I've got about 8,700, 8,900 worth of catching up.
I'm gonna
Here we go.
Come on, give me some big bucks. Big bucks. I need some big bucks and stop.
Stop at a billiard table. Just avoided the whammy. Zena, that billiard table's worth $22.23, $35.52, about $6,500 less than Michael, about $6,700. Press or pass?
Pass.
2, a little strategy.
No problem.
No problem, says Michael. Let's see if Zena does it again or if Michael hangs in.
Big bucks and stop.
Stop at 500 and spin. 10,700. One more spin you have to take, Michael.
All right. Big bucks again. Big bucks. Come on, let's see it and stop.
Stop at Rome. Michael, a trip to Rome worth $2,846. That's $13,546. 10,000 more than
problem.
Zena.
Over.
Zena,
Okay, I'm ready.
you ready? You have to get
I'm ready.
something with additional spin to stay in the
Okay.
game. Here we go. Zena and Michael, big spin.
Right. I need additional spin. Give me an additional spin, please. Give me additional spin and stop.
Stop it away. And Michael, you did it. You're the champion with $13,546. And we'll come back and talk to you after these races. We're back with today's big pressure luck winner, Michael, with 13,546 simoleons. Nice going, Michael.
Yeah.
You want to hear what you won?
Yes.
All right. Well, the
let me
big guy,
know.
Roddy, is going to tell you. I just, for a minute, I didn't know if you wanted to hear. Go ahead,
All
Rod.
right,
Even if he
Peter.
doesn't want to hear, Rod, the heck with it.
Are you sure he doesn't want to hear? Because it's a
Tell him
fabulous
anyways.
trip. You have won a fabulous Roman holiday, Michael. We will jet you and your guest round-trip coach from Los Angeles to Rome. We will spend 6 nights at the Hotel Mediterraneo right in the center of Rome. You'll enjoy a large, elegantly decorated room with a refrigerated bar and modern marble bath. The Hotel Mediterraneo Deluxe Victoria Hotel of Rome. That prize totals $2,846. Combined with the $10,700 in cash you've won, that gives you a grand total, Michael, of $13,546. Congratulations.
Well done, Michael. We'll see you next time you get to hit on us again.
I'll
All
be
right.
back.
Zena,
No problem.
my dear, you are leaving us with $21,734. You've been a great lady, a lot of fun. You are very pretty, and I'm sure you will find many ways to spend all those bucks.
Thank you.
All right, Ken. Hey, you had a great time, right?
A wonderful time, Peter.
That's all that counts. We've got some nice prizes for you, too.
Thank you.
Thank you for being with us. Before we leave, I have some goodies here. I have a poem from Mrs. Nadine Bunger of Westlake, Texas. Cars and vacations, big bucks and furs, sailboats for the hymns, diamonds for the hers. Then comes a whammy, one of those little guys, wipe off my smiles and bring tears to my eyes. Here's mud in your eye, I cry out in wrath. Now get on home and take a good bath. Sink to the bottom and soak your little head till your eyes pop out and your face turns red. Nadine, there's some hostility in you, but I think it's very apt. We have something from Mrs. Linda Dobrinsky of Tuxedo, New York. Enclosed are some pictures. I thought you would get a kick out of them. They are of my cat, Jake, who faithfully watches your show. He waits every morning for your show. He truly is a fan. Oh, that's from Linda Dobrinsky. We have a picture of little Jake. Here is Jake the cat. Get a shot of Jake the cat. We're changing the name of Press Your Luck to You Bet Your Bird. And Jake will like the show even more so. Jake, what a guy. In any event, we don't have people watching the show, just animals. In any event, this is Peter DeMarco saying thanks for pressing your luck. Bye-bye.
Beastie, you've met your match.
It's an all-star season on TV's toughest trivia challenge, The Chase.
Stop flirting with me.
As the Beast takes on the cast of Scandal.
As Rowan, I collect information.
As the Beast, I collect victims.
And celebrities Cameron Matheson, Tatiana Ali, and the exuberant Carson Kressley.
I think the
put the
Beast
money in the
likes
bank.
me.
Beastie has a crush on Carl.
Thanks, Beastie.
The Chase, all new Tuesday, 8/7 Central, only on Game Show Network.